Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Join me as I take you step by step through my flavorful fish curry recipe. Here are the ingredients: onions, garlic, tomatoes, ginger, coconut milk, curry powder, masala powder, potatoes, parsley flakes, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, red pepper flakes, paprika, fish fillet. In a blender, combine 2 large tomatoes, 1-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium onion. Blend until smooth. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in a pan. When it is hot enough, fry 2 medium-sized sliced potatoes until golden brown. Then set it aside. In the same pan, sauté the blended spices. Add a half cup of coconut milk. Then add 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, a half teaspoon red pepper flakes, a half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Add another cup of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Cover for 5 minutes. When the mixture starts to bubble, add the remaining 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. Add 2 pounds of fish fillet sliced to the curry. Cook for 10 minutes over medium heat with the lid on. After 10 minutes, add the fried potatoes to the pan. Cover for an additional 2 minutes. Your fish curry is ready. Serve it hot with rice or bread. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Check out all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.